I'm going to talk about Victron charge controllers. Those are used to transfer the energy from the sun through your solar panels into your batteries. Well, on this boat I have 4 because I have 4 sections of solar panels. I did that because of things shade solar panels like booms and masts and a mast. And if you shade a solar panel even a little bit, it drastically reduces its efficiency. So it's better to have multiple. Yeah, I had 4, because I have 4 zones. So I have 4 separate charge controllers. They all balance each other out based on the wattage that's coming from the solar panels to charge my batteries. And they work great. Anytime I don't have to think about something on a boat, it's working great. The simpler the better. In my mind, Victron is the best. That's why I bought it, because it's very important to have reliable and safe electronics on a boat. You don't want a boat fire. That's all it does. That's all they do. They balance the input coming from the solar panels to charge the battery.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.